Hi, I'm Coco. Now I'm going to show you how our app iCodon works. iCodon is an interactive educational game aimed at biology students. Our clients came to us, a group of computer science students at UCL, with the problem that students were not studying because they were addicted to games. So our solution is a game that helps students learn. In this app, we have gamified a biological process called DNA translation. So here is our home screen, where the user is given 4 options: Play to go to the game screen, Help for instructions, Settings to change game options, and Ranking to see the ranking tables. Since this is an educational game, our client wanted students to view the aims and objectives before playing to remind themselves about the concept of DNA translation. Here you can choose 3 different levels, where difficulty increases by the variety of codon sets you will have to translate. Let me show you what that means. Here at the bottom is the codon sequence, where every 3 letters are a codon set. And the player's task is to translate the codons into the corresponding amino acids up here. The buttons on the side show you sections of the codon table, which tells you which amino acid you need. The buttons are represented by the first letter of the codon set. You can also go to the help screen from here if you don't know what to do. So our next codon here is UUG. So let's click on the U button and find UUG, which is leucine, represented by LEU. So let's find leucine from the amino acid buttons and drop it on the correct spot on the ribosome. Notice you earn 10 points if you get it right. And you can also lose 10 points by getting it wrong. Our next codon set is UGG, which is tryptophan, TRP. UGG is again tryptophan. GCU is alanine, which is here. CUA is leucine. CAA is glutamine. CCG is proline. CGC is arginine. UUG is leucine. UAA is the stop codon. Once you reach the stop codon, it is the end of the game. You are automatically directed to the score page, where the player's score and time are shown. Here, the player can type in their name to submit their score to the ranking table. On the ranking screen, there are 2 ranking tables. The local ranking only shows the scores played on the specific device or browser, but you don't need an internet connection because this data is stored locally. Whereas the global ranking table is connected to the server and shows you all the scores of all the players who submitted their score. Now let's go back to the home screen. The help pages give explanations for the game and how to read the codon table. In the settings page, you can turn off the sound and change the language into all these different languages. The change takes effect immediately. You will also see that our app has responsive design for all kinds of screen sizes and is also available on mobile app platforms. So that's our app. Hope this helps biology students get better grades. Thank you for listening.